In this guide, I'm going to show you the very best deck for you to use here in Arena 21, here in Clash Royale. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Before Arena 21, if you want to fly through it quick, the deck that you're going to want to use is going to be the double Elixir Loon Freeze deck, which is by far one of the nastiest control beatdown hybrids in Clash Royale. Your win condition: pretty simple but brutal. Drop balloon behind a tank like Lumberjack or even after Bowler, and then freeze the enemy's tower and defenses. One mistake from your opponent and their tower is gone. On defense, though, this deck is stacked. Inferno Dragon melts tanks, Electro Dragon shuts down swarms, and Bowler dominates bridge spam. And if you do add Tornado into the mix, you've got some of the best defensive synergy in the entire game. Barbarian Barrel is going to give you a cheap swarm clear and a cheap cycle, while Freeze is going to be a clutch card that turns a push into a guaranteed tower. The deck itself has godly defense and versatility. Obviously, the free-to-play score is going to be a little bit rough just because it is very legendary heavy, but still, here in Arena 21, this is a meta shredder that punishes overcommitments instantly. If you do have any questions, ask us down below and we can help you out further, but before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.